What's up, y'all? It's your girl Stephanie, and today I have another episode of Hauling Hustla for you. I have a bunch of PR packages that I'm very excited to go through in this video. Before we begin though, I want to let y'all know that a rare day is coming up on March 10th right here in Los Angeles. This is a Women's Day Summit and networking event for female creators and entrepreneurs. I'm gonna be doing a talk on a beginner's guide to YouTube videos. So I just posted all my gear. That video was my last one. So if you really wanna get hands-on and talk about it, I'm gonna be bringing my camera, audio, tripods, all that stuff, so we can really talk and break it down. Jen's gonna be doing a talk, Jackie Yaina's gonna be doing a talk, my sister's gonna be there. She's the creator of the Be Rare Foundation. I would highly recommend if you're in the LA area to come and hang out. I think it's gonna be really awesome, inspiring day, so I'll make sure to have the tickets linked below. And of course, if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, come join the sisterhood. All right, let's get into the video. I'm gonna go through this by brand, I think. So I'm gonna be starting off with Marc Jacobs. So here, I just received the brand new Shameless Foundation collection. This is a youthful look 24-hour foundation with SPF 25. It's supposed to be self-setting, a medium buildable foundation with first ever flashback-free SPF and exceptional hydration. So it's to be hydrating and self-setting. Very interesting there. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'll just grab the middle one here. It seems like one that you should shake up, right? I actually really like the packaging. I'm into the fact that it is very light. It looks like it'd be great for traveling. We got a little squeezy guy here. Okay, It's actually a lot thicker than I had anticipated. Gonna go ahead and spread it out a little bit. Doesn't have a greasy feel at all. No scent really either. That looks like a pretty good match actually to me. They did a good job color matching me there. Yeah, I'm excited to try this out. I think this week I'm gonna do a first impressions makeup tutorial. So I will definitely use this in that video. This package is something that I've been saving for a minute to show y'all. I've actually opened it up, but I needed to show you in a video. I can't even back up enough. I hope nothing falls out right now. Oh wow, very secure. Ugh. I feel like Jabba the Hutt right now. Okay, here we have all of these lipsticks, the lip cream, La Marque lip crayon, which is what this is promoting. I clearly took one out already and I can't find it. But we're gonna be swatching some of this. And then these are the La Marque lip creams already out. So this one right here is the one that is fairly new. So the La Marque liquid lip crayon is supposed to be a liquid lipstick in a stick with one swipe color. So let's swatch. Here we have Merlot Blow. Little crayon situation here. Ooh. That is very opaque, very nice. Super creamy, wow. This looks pretty. I will swatch one of each of the other lip products that they have in here, just so you see the formula. This is La Marque lip cream in mahogany. Ooh, look at that shine. It's a different texture for sure. This one seems like it's a little bit more slippery in a way, and this one is more creamy. Finally, we have a La Marque lip cream in hot cocoa. This is one I've used a bunch. These are liquid lipsticks, but they do not mattify really. They stay really creamy. And sorry that this light is now coming in like this. Here we go. You can really see the true colors now. Sorry, the sun is setting right now. I have to say I do prefer a liquid lipstick over anything else. Usually I'm looking at this now and I really prefer the liquid lip cream just on my hand, but I am curious to see how they look on my lips for sure. I have one thing from Urban Decay. This is the Naked Petite Heat Palette. How cute is this thing? I love Urban Decay shadows just like anybody out there, but I really do not like traveling with those huge ones because typically I'll use like 2 or 3 maybe out of a whole palette. So if this works out, this might be my new favorite. For sure, these 3 colors right here are my jam. Okay, let's just do this real quick. Woo. Yes, I am struggling with the sunlight right now. Sorry, y'all. I am into this though. For sure, I will be using this palette in that upcoming first impressions. I have a few items from Too Faced. So here we have a white peach package. I actually haven't opened this one up, so I don't even know. Oh, it's another palette. So here we go. We have a shadow insurance in here, which I use every single day. And we also have a Better the Sex mascara in here, which I use every single day. This is what is new to me, the white peach eyeshadow palette. Here's the packaging. I like how they're doing a little like lilac moment in here. And check out these colors. So beautiful. I'm really excited to try some of these like really pink ones, and there's these super peachy ones like peach sorbet over here, creme de la peach. And I like how they are lighter, because for me, I can look at a color in a pan and it seems like it would be an okay like everyday color for me, and then I put it on my eye and I'm like, oh my god, this is so dark. So these seem like they're very approachable to me. I will definitely be experimenting with this one after the Naked Heat palette. Two more items from Too Faced. I have Life's a Festival, Peace, Love, and Unicorns. This is a new palette, I believe. Oh, look at this packaging. This is so cute. I'm gonna open it up right here. Ooh, we have a rainbow assortment of colors. These are all quite iridescent colors, except for two of them. We have Young and Free and Desert Vibes over here, and the rest very iridescent. I'm gonna swatch a couple. Let's do this one. Ooh. Those are cool colors for sure. This is the one that is matte, and then the other two are iridescent, obviously. Oh, actually a lot more came off of my fingers right there than I expected. But yeah, they are very creamy, very smooth. I have so many different palettes to try out right now. The last thing from Too Faced I have is this Festival Refresh Mystical Effects Setting and Refreshing Spray. Okay, look at that. I haven't really shaken it up yet. You can kind of see it's gathering over there, but let me give it a little shake. Very, very iridescent, doing like a really cool like galaxy thing in there. This is infused with opalescent pearl for all over sparkling illumination. Ooh. Helps refine pores and improve skin texture with rose quartz powder. Okay, I'm gonna try this out on my face right now. I'm a little bit scared because I don't know about this iridescence, but okay. I sprayed a lot on my forehead just now. I'm really bad at spraying setting sprays, I feel like. To be honest, I should have looked at what my face looked like before, because I'm kind of shiny right now already. But it smells good, and we'll see if it helps lock the makeup in better, because whenever I film, I get very oily for some reason. If I'm like filming, or if I have to speak in front of people, for some reason just the oils just seep out of my skin. So I should probably be using a setting spray in those situations. But yeah, we'll be using this more and maybe reporting back. I'm gonna take a break from makeup for a second because I got this box from Raeel. I think that's how you say it, R-A-E-L. And they have some very exciting products in here. We have 100% organic cotton covers, which are 100% cotton pads. I think these are the long liners. There's 18 in here. Here we have, in this package, there are 20 regular liners. And then I also have like overnight pads. There's 8 in here. This is for like heavy overnight situation. I really hope in the future there's a lot more visibility and accessibility of these kind of products. I don't know the price point, unfortunately, but like everything else in this video, I'll make sure to link all this down below. I currently actually do not really have any use for these. I'll keep them in my bathroom for my guests, because sometimes I have friends come over who need like a liner. Because I have the IUD, which is a video that I've been meaning to make to talk about my IUD experience. I just got my second one put in, so I had it for 5 years, and I just took that one out and then put in a new one. I want to say a couple months ago, so I got another 5 years because I got the Mirena, but it's always good to have these in my bathroom for my friends. So apparently they are a #1 bestseller on Amazon, which is awesome. And they also have this other thing that says, coming in February, tampons. I got this box a little while ago, but I wanted to save it for a PR package haul. So by the time you see this video, their tampons are gonna be out as well. I am very excited to try this from them though. This is their natural feminine wash right here. In the flyer, it says it's hypoallergenic, artificial, fragrance-free, pH balanced. I am very sensitive. I use one by Sliquid and I have for many, many years, but here's a new one that I can try out. I'm also very intrigued by the packaging. It's like a foaming one. I have never seen a wash like this, so looking forward to giving it a test drive. Let's dive back in. I have this package from Glossier, which I also got a while back, but I was saving it for this video. I didn't open it because it comes in this really cool packaging. This is called Solution, and it is an exfoliating skin perfector with salicylic acid. I'm gonna rip into it. Ooh. Glossier packaging, man, is just so flippin' cute. Look at this thing. So what they say is with daily use, expect cleared acne and blackheads, smaller pores, and reduced redness. Skin's texture will be smoother and softer, and the fabled glow of balanced, healthy skin will be in full force. So in the directions, it says to use this once a day. You press down on this little guy right here with a cotton pad and put it all over the face. I haven't used kind of like a toner product in a very long time, so I will definitely be trying this out right away. I have one hair care package, and that is from Orbe. Ugh, I love Orbe products, and when I saw this, like, I think this product might be made for me. I wanted to use it right away, but I held off for this video. This is their Serene Scalp collection. We have a shampoo, conditioner, as well as a leave-in treatment. This is, I guess, their dandruff line. I'm not sure if this is brand new or not. I'm just very happy to have received it because I definitely do get dandruff. Nothing like too extreme, but because I have really dark hair, any little thing that happens, it's very, very noticeable. And I do kind of get an itchy scalp once in a while. I just have a very sensitive scalp in general. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying the shampoo out especially. This actually has an active ingredient of salicylic acid, so I didn't even know that was something that's good for dandruff. And this definitely does not smell like any dandruff shampoo I have ever used. It just has a very classic Orbe smell, but I feel like a little bit lighter in a way, so it's less fragrance, probably less irritating. The conditioner is a Serene Scalp Balancing Conditioner. Usually with conditioner, I just use it on the ends, but this one you're supposed to put right on the scalp. And then the last product is a Serene Scalp Soothing Leave-On Treatment. It says part hair in sections applied directly onto scalp where needed and massage in. Can be used on damp or dry hair, perfect to use post-color. Oh, that's interesting. So if like you tend to bleach and your scalp gets really irritated by that, you can use this to soothe the scalp. I feel like this could be good for me on days where my scalp is really itchy and I just need to do some sort of treatment. I don't think I have anything like this really. I feel like the applicator is very medical, but it will be very precise. You kind of just put it in your hair exactly where you need it. Sometimes I'm itchy like right up the front or in the back. So yeah, definitely next time I'm in an extreme itch mode, I will try this out. Like always, this video took so much longer to film than I thought, so the sun is going down. But I have my last one here. I should have maybe done this at the very beginning maybe. This is the Jeremy Scott MAC collection. This is the coolest packaging I have ever seen from MAC, ever. It looks like it's an actual stereo box here. Even the cardboard and the handle up here is correct, you know? It's exactly how it would be. So I'm gonna open it up like this. We have all that lining that looks like it would be in a real like electronics kind of box. First off, we have the eyeshadow palette right here. There's 29 colors in there. This is just the best packaging ever. Let's open this up. It really is just so authentic. That's the word I'm looking for. Like even the way it's packaged in here is how an electronic would be packaged. How cool is this? So much work went into the packaging and all of this. So let's open it up. There are some really fun colors in here as well as some really nice basics I can see. The one I'm super stoked to try is that yellow. It's not really as opaque as I thought it was gonna be, but I definitely wanna try and work with that yellow right there for sure. I did a pinky color as well, and I did the one shimmer color, actually no, one of the shimmer colors on the very far left. I've been using a Dose of Colors palette so much, and their colors are so pigmented to the point that they're very powdery, so I feel like I've been very used to that lately. In any case though, I'm excited to test this one out. Okay, we have two more in here. Here is the cheek palette, the CDJs, so cool. The plastic is just like you would get if you were to buy this. This is just so stinking cute. Ooh, and I can feel it, magnetic. Personally, for me, these are all very approachable colors, so let us swatch these really quick. Definitely usable. I don't like it when a bronzer or blush is just way too pigmented because I like to build it. I hate it when I try and put something on and it just splotches on my face. So I prefer it to be kind of on this level. Last product I have here is a little lip palette that looks like a cassette tape. So good. There are 9 colors in there. To be honest, I'm not really a lip palette person, but this might convert me because it's so cute. I am such a sucker for things that make me feel nostalgic. Oh, and it's so cute. I really like how they kept with the little sound bar theme there. I think there are some new colors in here just by the names of the lip colors, but like over here, this one is Melange. So we have some classics, some repeats, as well as some new ones, I believe. All right, y'all, that is it for this episode of Haul and Hustla. As always, everything that is available is linked in the description box down below. And once again, definitely click on that link to check out tickets for A Rare Day. Would love to meet y'all and hang out with y'all on March 10th. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe below. Come join the sisterhood. I love y'all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.